Now let us see the next topic is basic structure of IR systems. So any digital filter can be realized in two different ways. One is recursive way and non-recursive way. So recursive way is nothing but the output function y of n, which is a function of present inputs, and past outputs. Whereas in the non-recursive type filters, the current output which depends on past inputs and present inputs. Okay. Now these recursive filters comes under which is also known as comes under IR filters, whereas non-recursive filters are FIR filters, finite impulse response. So these filters recursive type are realized by using IR filters. Okay, so these two are two major types of realization of filters. Okay, now coming to recursive type. So in recursive type we have different forms of structures. The basic structures of IR filters can be divided into 6 different types. The first one is direct form 1, direct form 2, transposed, cascade form, parallel form, and lattice ladder structures. So all these are 6 different structures used for IR filters. Okay, so let us see one by one. First one is a direct form 1 filter. Now let us see. The first one is a direct form 1 realization. Here the direct form 1 realization, in direct form 1 realization, let us consider the LTI system, recursive linear time invariant system. So which is described by a difference equation. So these equations we have seen in first unit. That is y of n is equal to summation k is equal to minus of k is equal to 1 to n ak y of n minus k plus k is equal to 0 to m bk x of n minus k. So this is the difference equation of LTI system, linear time invariant system. Okay, so this equation, expand this equation. So after expanding you are getting minus a1 y of n minus 1 minus a2 y of n minus 2 and so on up to a n minus 1 y of n minus 1. Okay, here the output which takes the limits from k is equal to 1 to n, and the input is k is equal to 0 to m. Okay, so minus a n y of n minus small n plus b0 x of n plus b1 x of n minus 1 and so on bm x of n minus 1. So after expanding, let from here to here you have to consider as w of n. That means b0 x of n plus b1 x of n minus 1 up to bm x of n minus 1. You have to take it as w of n. Now substitute in this place w of n. Then you are getting again y of n is equal to total this term plus remaining what is this value, w of n. Now we have to realize this equation by using a direct form 1 structure method. Okay, now for direct form 1, in this we have m plus n plus 1 multiplications and m plus n additions and m plus n plus 1 memory locations. Okay, now realize this equation. Okay, so this is equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Okay, first realize equation 3. So this is equation 3. How to draw the structure? See, so this is the input x of n, okay, which consists of some delays. Delays are represented as z inverse. Okay, additions, so plus indicates summation. Okay, x of n, okay, x of n into b0 plus, okay, b1 into, so here the term is x of n minus 1. X of n minus 1 into b1 plus and so on x of n minus m into bm, which is equal to what? W of n. So this is equation 3. Okay. Now coming to equation 2. So this is equation 4. Okay. So y of n is equal to minus, so this is y of n. Okay. Now see, w of n plus minus a1 into, what is the delay here? Y of n minus 1 minus a1 into y of n minus 1 plus minus a2 into y of n minus 2 plus and so on up to minus an y of n minus n. Okay, so here we are getting y of n. Okay, y of n. Now combine equation 3, this structure and this structure. Combine equation 3 and equation 4. So by combining equation 3 and equation 2, we are getting equation 2. Now draw this combination of inputs and outputs. So this is only inputs and this is only output. Now combine input and output. So see this one. So up to here is this one, this part. Okay. Combine this w of n to this one. Now I am combining these two. Now after that the output is this one. So this is the direct form 1 structure method. Okay. Now let us see one problem on direct form 1 method. So the given problem is obtain the form 1 realization of the system described by difference equation. Okay. So given that there is a difference equation, y of n is equal to 0.5 y of n minus 1 minus 0.25 y of n minus 2 plus x of n plus 0.4 x of n minus 1. Now consider, let us take w of n is equal to this one. Okay. So now I am taking this is equal to w of n. Now give it as equation 1. Now substitute w of n in this equation. Now y of n is equal to this whole term plus w of n. Now we have to draw the structure. Realize y of n. Okay. So now first, what is the input? X of n plus 0.4 x of n minus 1. Okay. Now x of n, see this one. Okay. X of n plus 0.4 into x of n minus 1. So here the value is x of n plus, here the value is 0.4 x of n minus 1, which is equal to w of n. Okay. Now which is given to the output 0.5 y of n minus 1. Now see, w of n plus y of n minus 1 into 0.5. Here the term is for 0.5 into y of n minus 1. Okay. Here constant is minus 0.25. Now here is minus 0.25 into y of n minus 2. So this is y of n. So this is the way the problems can be we have to done the problems on direct form 1 realization. Okay.